Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to link notes. Open both pages in Notion so you can see context. First actionable step, place the cursor where the link should live, then type at and start typing the target page name. This creates an inline mention that resolves into a clickable link. If you prefer a clean URL, type /link to page and pick the page. Do this now so you have a visible connection you can refine in the next steps. Once you've placed a basic link, convert it into a stronger connection. If these notes are part of a system, create a relation property in a database and link records there. This lets you track multiple links and add metadata. Make sure to use roll-ups to show key fields from linked notes on the source page. Also, open the target page and confirm the backlinks section populated. This verifies the connection. These steps let you search and to finish, tidy link text so your system remains scannable. Rename mentions or use descriptive anchor text. If a link doesn't show up, make sure the target page isn't private or in another workspace and refresh Notion. Permissions often block backlinking. For repeated content, use synced blocks instead of duplicating notes. Finally, test by clicking links and using search to confirm retrieval. This ensures your network of notes behaves predictably and stays useful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.